So today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can take your brand to the next level using custom Nike tags, and we'll be using our very own Stars heat press right here, Fusion IQ. So let's do it. When you got a clothing brand, you know, you get shirts that comes with a tag in there. I don't know about y'all, but I hate tags. Like, let me know in the comments, man, how do you feel about tags? I always rip these tags out of my shirt. Like, I like to get hoodies that gives me the ability to tear away the tag. So it's gonna peel off that tag. And just like that, that tag is gone. You can spend some time in cleaning it up, the cut, right? And these are Plastisol tags. You can get them from whoever you use, right? But I like Transfer Express because they have templates on their Easy View designer that I can just edit real quick and customize it for my customers. Like this one here, Park Love Apparel. All right, so what I'm gonna do next, I got my heat press here, tuned all the way up to the recommended press temperature for this Plastisol, okay, which is 370. We'll be using this heat press here to customize 60 neck tags, all right, and let's do that. Next thing, you just wanna line this up onto your heat press. Make sure it's nice and centered where it needs to be, you know. Sometimes I like to leave the existing tag in and then press my custom tags. Then after that, I tear away the custom tag just to get the placement right. But I'm just gonna load this up. Bam, bam, bam. And I'm gonna get my Plastisol transfer right here from Transfer Express. That's another Stars company. And I'm gonna place it right there. You don't need no tape. This heat press here is just gonna clamp down. It's gonna hold down for about 10 seconds. And once that thing comes up, we're just gonna peel it. And we're gonna do that again and again. And just like that, you get yourself some custom Nike tags to take your brand to the next level. This is an auto open. So I'm just gonna come in here and peel this off. You can see ink has already transferred. So this is Plastisol ink. And just like that, you got your nice custom name or brand label, whatever you want to say, right? Like, you can customize this to whatever. That's why I use Transfer Express, because they give you the ability to use their designer, you know? That's what I like. Until next time, I appreciate y'all. Let me know in the comments, are you using custom tags? And where are you getting your custom tags from? All right, I appreciate y'all. God bless you. Make sure you like this video and smash that subscribe button if you found any value. Let's go.